Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is CS50W Mail. First, let's take a look at the documentation. Now, to the main application. Let's send an email to a friend. Let's fill in a recipient, subject, and body, then we click send. If the email is successfully sent, user gets redirected to sent mailbox. When a user visits their inbox, sent mailbox, or archive, the appropriate mailbox is loaded. Let's view an email. Once the email has been clicked, if the email is unread, it should be marked as read. Next up, let's archive and unarchive emails. Once an email has been archived or unarchived, the user's inbox is loaded. Finally, let's reply an email. When the user clicks the reply button, they are taken to a pre-filled email composition form with the recipient field set to whoever sent the original email, followed by the pre-filled subject and the body. This was CS50W Mail. Thanks for watching.